Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes A Class. In this video I'll show you how to reset service inspection. At the beginning, place the key into first position. Now, press and hold OK button and call button until you see Service Assist Plus. Enter it, and as you can see right here, we've got service B1 overdue by 302 days. Press and hold OK button to reset it, and it's done. Unfortunately, this function is not available on all production years, because the younger the car is, the less possibility is that they've installed the manual reset function. In case you don't have this manual reset function, you can't do it via this buttons combination, you can't enter Assist Plus. You have to go to diagnostic center, preferably Mercedes, because they've got all access keys to reset it. Unfortunately, that's the case nowadays. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.